Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding Ninja YouTube channel. Myself, Ajit Rawat, and in this video we're talking about NFT. So NFT is basically non-fungible token. So what does it mean? It means non-fungible. It means non-exchangeable or non-repeatable. Basically, which is something unique. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a 100 rupee note. Now you can exchange it with someone another. You will get 520 rupee notes is equals to 100 rupee note. Okay, so in this way, you can easily exchange your 100 rupee notes with 520 rupee notes. Okay, or you can exchange your 100 rupee notes with 250 rupees. So in this way, these notes are fungible tokens. Means you can exchange it with the same thing. Like the same thing is we can exchange one note with four notes. Now, coming to non-fungible token means you cannot exchange it with the same quantity. For example, suppose you have a painting worth 100 rupees. Now you cannot exchange the same your painting with another painting with same rupee. Okay, so that's why they are because they are unique to you. They have your own identity because you are the one who made it, right? Currency notes are not the one who they are not made by you, right? But the paintings, the home, they are unique. They have your identity that you are the owner of that. So that is what a non-fungible token means it cannot be exchangeable with the same thing. So you have some painting. Now you have created its NFT. It's you have digitally signed that it is your own identity. Now in the network, whoever wants to buy, they can easily buy it, and you can sell them with the money which you want. So the concepts where it is useful, or the backbone of the NFT is blockchain. So blockchain basically whatever you buy, basically there is a block between sender and receiver, whatever sent. So similarly in this case, when you want to sell your NFT, then you can easily send it, but it is behind the blockchain. So all the users who are inside that blockchain, they can easily able to see that what are you sending and all of these. So it is basically all the transactions of NFT are public because it is inside a blockchain, so as to make it secure, right? That's why it is inside blockchain. So as to make it secure transaction, but no one able to replicate your identity. Like if you make a painting and someone else copy that and then take your credit to them. And so now they can sell that painting, and everybody thought that painting is unique to them, but that's not the case. So that's why NFT is created, so as to keep your own identity, that whatever you make, you are the owner of it. The one who has replicated your painting is not the owner. Your own identity will be there, and you can easily sell it with the help of NFTs. So you created your NFT, which is non-fungible token, and then with that, it will be created into the blockchain so as to make it more secure, and then you can sell them at your convenience. So this is about the NFT and its usefulness. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi there, we hope you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.